the 2007 Honda Civic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. You'll appreciate highway fuel economy of 40 miles per gallon, providing exceptional driving range and value. All of the following features are included: a split folding rear seat, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Attractive alloy wheels furnish the fenders with style and sporty flair. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, including just one previous owner. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.